Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, air cleaner, high capacity, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, skid plate package, convenience package, all. Star Edition, wheels, 4 17 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, rear vision camera, suspension package, off-road, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.